Hey, my name is Andrew Charles with Ann Wright Counseling Services. I'm excited to show you where to find and how to use fentanyl Xylazine testing strips. Go to harmreductionmke.org to find which harm reduction vending machine is closest to you. Illicit drugs are unpredictable, so knowing what is really in your drugs before you take them matters. Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid up to 100 times more potent than morphine. Unfortunately, your drugs can be laced with fentanyl and or xylazine without you knowing it. It's time to be more cautious and reduce harm to yourself. Drug testing strips are a crucial harm reduction tool that can help save lives. Here's how you can use them to protect yourself from a potential overdose. Your kit includes the following supplies: 2 testing strips, 1 cotton swab, and 1 buffer solution tube. Wet the swab by dipping the swab tip into the buffer solution tube. Unless you are testing a liquid substance, then leave the swab tip dry. Step 2. Insert the collected sample on the swab into the buffer solution tube. After collecting the sample onto the swab, stir and place the swab tip back into the buffer solution. Wait 15 seconds. Insert the bilateral flow test strips into the buffer solution tube with the sample mixed in. Place the white end of the test strip completely into the buffer solution. Wait 10 to 15 seconds until a red fluid visibly flows up the test strip. 4. Analyze the flow test strips. Remove this test strip from the buffer solution and lay it flat. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Utilize an analysis chart to analyze the results. 1 line shows a positive result, 2 lines shows a negative result. 4. Remember, just because the sample you tested is negative for fentanyl or xylazine, that does not mean it's safe. Sometimes the sample is not mixed completely, so 1 part will have xylazine or fentanyl and 1 part will be negative. If your sample is positive for fentanyl and or xylazine, what should you do? If you are in a position to not use it, that would be the best option. If you must use the drug, remember, your risk of overdose will be higher. Make sure you are using it with a buddy who has Narcan in hand and is not using it at the same time as you, so they can save your life if you stop breathing. Also, you really don't know how potent the drug will be, so try to use a small amount. Wait to see how you feel, then use more if you need to later.